Well, well, well. Alright guys, back down to earth now, moving on to Act 3. Singing a song from Tom Petty called Free Fallin'. It's Jonathan Walsh. Once again we get cuteness from the audience. This is an acoustic set.
There's a freeway saying when Jonathan was coming down the stairs, poor old Jonathan, after the fall out the 2 bags. But the one thing I have to say about him that, you know, he's an absolutely fantastic solo performer. He came down, he used his guitar, pushed the crowd down, get involved in the song, and it was a great start, lovely picking at the beginning, got plenty of energy into the song, great singing, great variation in the voice, and particularly at the end where he was doing the free fall and repeat, great variation in that. Well done, John.
Thank you, Kevin. Move on to Boris.
Yeah, I have to echo what Kevin said there. I mean, the plucking and the chords and the variety in your vocals and the variety in your guitar playing, and you bring a whole different dimension to solo performance. Jonathan, you're a credit to yourself. Well done. Excellent.
Thank you, Pete. And Celia.
Yeah, I'm not going to second Anthony, the 2 lads have said, but I just want to say one thing. Every single person in the audience gets behind every single person that's on stage, no matter who they are. And I've noticed that throughout, whoever's gang is on stage, they're all behind everyone, and I just have to reiterate that echo every week. We are so impressed with the audience participation this year, so well done to the audience. Jonathan, that's the song you auditioned to, and I fell in love with it a long time ago before that. Many years ago when I was out in the Middle East, I was in a thunderstorm, and that was the only song that kept going on the radio, and it really brought me through the storm because I was terrified. And tonight it brought me back to that, it took the fear out of it, and you're on a world of your own there. Well done.
Thank you, Celia. Thank you, judges.